Hi, I'm Amber with WTI, and if you have skin and you like to go outside, you need to protect it, and this will help you do that. Cerave Facial Moisturizing Lotion has an SPF factor of 30. Really great sun protection factor that's going to keep you safe from UVA and UVB rays. I love that it is non-comedogenic, so it's not going to clog my pores. It doesn't have a strong fragrance to it. It doesn't have a strong sunscreen smell to it. It just smells like any regular lotion. I apply this in the morning before I go outside. Make sure it's about 15 minutes before any sun exposure. There's niacinamides and hyaluronic acid and also ceramides. All of those things are really great at providing your skin with all the moisturizing benefits you need while protecting your skin barrier. And I love that it doesn't create a white cast on my face. You can barely tell where I have the product versus where I don't. So if you have really sensitive skin like me and you've been searching for a great sunscreen lotion, this one is it. And that is my point of view.